Hello and welcome. Today we're going to take a look at Omni, a highly customizable management system designed to tackle some of business's toughest challenges. Omni is a cloud-based subscription service with a wide range of customizable functionality, and it's available right now. On their first visit, each user is brought to a screen on which they can select their individual preferences. Starting with their language, preferences are saved on a user-by-user, as well as a device-by-device basis, allowing the system to work how they want it, no matter what device they are using. Omni even includes voice synthesis, which can be tailored to the user's delight, or disabled entirely.
How does this sound? How does this sound? How does this sound?
In addition to user preferences, nearly every aspect of the system can be customized to fit the needs of your business. While Omni specializes in enterprise resource planning, the goal was to create a system which would meet as many business models as possible. As a result, nearly every aspect of every screen can be changed to meet your requirements. For additional changes that you might need, or problems that arise along the way, there's a built-in issue tracker to keep everyone on the same page. Not only can customers request new features that they want or need, but features that are added to the core system would be done at our expense. This means that automatic improvements are a major part of the process. Plus, your suggestions may benefit other businesses and vice versa. However, customer-specific modifications are also still an option. In the next videos, we will explore other functionality offered by Omni as we simulate our own virtual business. Thank you for joining me, and have a wonderful day.